Hey guys, and welcome back to Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. So, today we're going to do a highly requested dance tutorial, and that is how to do it's complicated Fortnite dance. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, I am John, for being the first one to request it. And a special shout out to Emily for being so persistent with her comments. Thank you, Emily. Okay, so let's just get right into it. I'm gonna break this dance into 3-minute sections, and then at the end we're gonna do a full dance run through, and then we're gonna practice. Alright, so we're gonna start with the first mini section, which is my favorite section, and that is this one. So it goes wah, 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 wah. Hey guys! I just want to remind you that you can change your YouTube speed settings down below if you think I'm going too fast or too slow. Okay, so let me break it down for you. We're going to start with the arms, yeah? Just the arms. The arms are saying shoulders, well, the upper body as well. So you want to place your hands here on your shoulder like this, and then you want to bring up your right shoulder up and left shoulder is down, yeah? And then you want to go opposite, you go hi-ya. All right, pretty simple, right? You just go right up, left up. From here, you want to bring your right hand, take your head here face, and turn it to the right side, right to your right side. So let's just try that. We're gonna go right shoulder up, left shoulder up, right hand is placed on your face, move it to the right. Right, let's just try that. We're gonna go boom, 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 boom. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna practice. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right up, left up, face hand, boom. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go boom, boom, and look. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go boom, boom, and look. Okay, so far so good, right? So we just did wah, 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 wah. From here, what we want to do is say the left goes point down, the right goes point up. All right, so we went from here, whoop, so right goes up, left goes down. All right, now we just want to switch and do the opposite, so they go boom. All right, so let's just go back to here. Yeah, so your right hand is on your face, left hand is on your shoulder, and then you want to say left goes down, right goes up, and then switch. Whoa. And then right after this, you want to go cross your arms, you want to go no, and then you want to pull them out again like that. Yeah, notice how my right is a bit up here in the corner and my left is just here to the side. All right, so let's just rewind here. From here, you want to say left down, right up, point. Then we want to go opposite, and then we want to go no, and then we want to pull it out. Okay, so let's try and practice this whole sequence. So meaning wah, 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 wah. All right, let's just try that. We're gonna go super slow. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wah, wah, wah. Look, point, switch, cross, out. Let's just try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulder, shoulder, hand, face, point, point, no, hook. Now, feel free to pause the video and practice by yourself a few times if you need to, but I'm just gonna do one last time, a bit faster, all right? So, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulder, shoulder, and face, point, point, no, hook. All right, moving on to the legs. So, right leg is basically just saying kick, tap, kick, tap. Let me just show it from the side as well. I'm saying kick, tap, kick, tap, kick, tap. And notice how it's not completely here to the front. I'm kind of crossing over my left a bit, yeah. So my right is saying whoom, hey, whoom, hey, whoom, hey. All right, now the left is saying actually putting almost all of my weight, or actually all of my weight on my left foot here, and I'm trying to lift my heel to the side, back, side, back, and so on, all right? Now I'm kind of doing mini jumps, so I'm not lifting it like that. I'm sort of, bending and doing mini jumps without actually lifting my foot, all right? And just show it from the side. So when I do it all together, it's gonna look like this. Okay, to the side, okay, side, whoop, a, whoop, a, whoop, a. If you want to make it easier for yourself, just don't do the left leg, yeah? Just do the right leg and the arms. That should be enough, alright? Okay, so once you master both the legs and the arms, you want to combine them, alright? So let's just try and do that. We want to start by doing this, yeah? So I'm kicking with my right leg, I'm pulling up my right shoulder. And then I just move on, whoop, and then here, look, and then point, opposite, and then no, hook. All right, so let's just try and practice the first 4 moves. So shoulder, shoulder, hand, look. All right, let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go shoulder, shoulder, hand, look. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go shoulder, shoulder, hand, look. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go shoulder, shoulder, hand, look. Now let's add the rest, all right? So the rest goes right after shoulder, shoulder, hand, look, point, point, no, pull. All right, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go shoulder, shoulder, hand, look, point, point, no, pull. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go shoulder, shoulder, hand, look, point, point, no, pull. Alright, moving on to the second mini section. So let me just quickly show you what we're about to learn. So right after one, we want to go a, wait, hey. Now let me break it down for you. So right after here, yes, your right leg is out, all of your weight is on your left leg, and your arms are like this. Now what you want to do, let's just practice the legs. The legs are gonna say, you want to say whoom. Yeah, so basically you're just bending your knee. If you want to, you can also flick out your heel to the side. All right, so you're saying bend because you want to prep for the jump. Notice how I'm taking out my right leg here. And then I want to say up, yeah. And then I want to, again, bend my leg, but this time I'm going to put my weight on my right. All right, let me just show you again. From here, you want to go bend, up, bend. Yeah, and I'm just switching legs here. Boom, boom. So from here, the legs are doing bend, up, bend. Yeah, and then from here, you just want to continue. So you're going to say hit, up. All right. So from here, most of the weight is on the left. Now you want to say bend, up, bend, up, bend. Let's just try that. We're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're going to try. From here, just the legs. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go bend, up, bend, up, bend. All right. So the last one is kind of special because you want to say push it up, bend. All right. Let's just try one more time. From here, put most of your weight on the left. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go bend, up, bend, push, bend. Now let me explain the arms. The arms are saying from here, just the arms. You basically just want to do a whoa, right? Whoa. So the left is going up here, the right is just coming down and then going like that. All right, so left is up, right is down. From here, whoa. Let's just try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go. A. Now from here, you want to open up. Whoom. So notice how my left is going to my left, right is going to my right. In this circle here, whoom, and then I stop halfway and then I go opposite. Got it. All right, let's just try and rewind here. So we went from the whoa. We want to do the whoa. From here, we want to do whoa. Then you want to do half a circle here. Stop. go back, and then and over here. All right? Let's just try and practice that. So, whoa, half circle, around, stop. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Whoa, half circle, back, and stop. Again, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Whoa, half circle, reverse, and stop. Again, one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go. Whoa, half circle, reverse, and stop. All right, now let's try and combine it. So when you combine arms and legs, the first one goes from here. You want to say bend and whoa. Yeah, so you want to hit that whoa when you're up on both legs. All right. So let's just try that. 7, 8, we go and whoa. Pretty simple, right? Now from here, you want to do this half circle, boom, at the same time as you go bend, hit. All right. So bend, tap. So let's just try that from the whoa. We're gonna go bend up, yeah? Because as soon as we say tap here with our left leg, we're gonna reverse it, go up, and then bring it here, all right? And at the same time, when you're all the way here, you wanna bring up this right leg. So let's just rewind from the whoa. You wanna go here, reverse, and up. Again, just from the whoa. 7, 8, we go half circle, hit, reverse, up. All right, so now let's practice this whole section. From this, you wanna go whoa, here, reverse, all right? Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go whoa, half circle, hit, reverse, up. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go bend, whoa, half circle, hit, and lift up. Again, one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go whoa, and up, and here. And a bit faster, one last time. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go whoa, half circle, reverse. Okay guys, let's do mini section 1 and 2 so that you don't forget the first few moves. So let me just do a quick recap here, right? So from the tip top, you wanna go and whoom, point, point, no, pull. Now the new part goes and whoa, half circle, reverse, here. All right guys, time to practice. So from the tip top, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go shoulder to shoulder, and look, point, point, no, pull, new part, and whoa, half circle, up, reverse, here. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, we go shoulder, shoulder, and look, point, point, no, pull, new part, and whoa, half circle, here, reverse, and. Okay, feel free to practice some more if you need to, but if you're ready to move on, let's move on.